In this video, we are going to show you how to import lists into DCDial. Once you have created a campaign, you will need to upload leads to call. You can easily upload all your leads at once by importing your lists. There are three main ways that you can do this. You can manually upload your files, you can use list load automation, or you can interface directly with DCDial using our APIs. To manually upload a file, click on the Administration tab, and then click Lists from the left side menu, and then select Upload File. You can upload lists to up to 3 campaigns at a time. Choose which campaign you want this list to be associated with, and select your upload format. To learn more about this, please refer to our help file or watch our Format Builder video. Next, click Add Files or drag the files that you wish to upload into the gray box. Select the file you would like to upload and click Open. When you have finished uploading all of your files, scroll down and click Upload. The system will confirm if you want to add more files. Click No if you are done, and you will be sent to the list status page. You will notice that the list is statused as queued. Once the list is uploaded successfully, the status shows as completed. Return to the list page, and you can activate your list by clicking the shield icon. You can also activate list from the dashboard. Activating the list allows it to be dialable by DCDial. You can also enter leads individually by clicking Add Lead. Enter the lead information, and then select which list you want to add the lead to, and then click Create. The lead will be added automatically to the list. You can access further list settings by clicking the blue pencil icon next to the list. Resetting a list resets the call counter and moves all leads into the Not Called category. You can reset leads manually by clicking this box, or leads can be reset automatically up to twice daily using the Reset Times feature. Select when leads will be reset. DCDial resets leads at this time according to the user's time zone. Keep in mind that resetting leads does not erase their call status. To download the list back onto your device, click Download List. You can also download only the mobile numbers using this button here. A CSV file with all the mobile numbers will be generated and downloaded onto your computer. This list will be contacted based on the preset campaign settings you created in Campaigns. However, in campaigns with multiple lists, the user may want different contact settings for different lists. To create list-specific settings, user can turn on list overrides. Only the settings you change here will be overridden. All other settings will keep the original campaign settings. Answering machine detection message may also be affected by your strategy settings. If you choose to override AMD message, the system will also confirm if you want to override the AMD strategy settings. Below, you can see list statuses, time zones, phone types, and ranks. The final tab shows a call counter. The call count shows the number of call attempts for a list broken down by status. A new column is created for each call attempt. When you are done configuring your list, click Submit. Another way to upload lists is through the List Load Automation feature. Rather than manually uploading lists, you can add your files to an internal or external FTP folder, and DCDial will automatically fetch the files and load them into the desired campaign. The List Load Automation feature can be found in the Setup menu, and then click List Load Automation. Click Create List Load Automation, type in a name and a brief description. Then select which campaign you want the list to be uploaded to. Under Import Format, select an import format that you have previously created or create a new one under the Format Builder. Choose how often DCDial fetches new lists from the FTP. Lastly, under Select Host, you can choose to use either the internal DCDial FTP or an external FTP of your choosing. If you choose to use the internal DCDial FTP, then you will need to use an FTP client software. Once you have filled out the form, click Create. Here you can create parameters for which files are uploaded. When the system detects a new file with the defined parameters, it will be uploaded to DCDial. Finally, you can select whether the lists that are uploaded through the automation will activate automatically. If you select yes, then leads will be dialable when the list is fetched by the FTP. If you select no, then you will have to manually activate each new list before the campaign will dial those leads. Click Submit, and you will be returned to the list load automation page. Click on the shield icon to activate your list load automation, and files will begin to transfer automatically. Lastly, you can use the API to upload your lists. To access this option, go to DCDial.com and locate the Developer API to find out more information. Now that you have uploaded your lists, you can start reaching out to leads.